Hello everyone, I'm here with you guys with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install a hard drive with this message showing. So this is a new hard drive. I bought it off AliExpress. Now when I try to install the operating system, I've inserted a Windows 10 bootable USB and this is the message is showing. So Windows cannot be installed to this disk. This computer's hardware may not support porting to this disk. Ensure that the disk controller is enabled in the computer BIOS menu. Press OK. So now I'm going to show you a couple of methods how you can rectify this. So let's try the first method. Press Ctrl F10 and it will take you to administrator command prompt. So we need to go into diskpart. So type in diskpart. Diskpart is now selected. Now select list disk. Now we are going to change the MBR or GPT settings. So select disk 0. Disk 0 is now selected. Now clean it. Then now we'll try with GPT first. So select convert GPT, press enter. It says diskpart successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. Now close it, exit. Let's try again. Showing the same message. Now let's showing the same message. Now let's convert it to MBR. Same control shift and then F10. Go on to diskpart. Hit enter and list disk. Select disk 0. Now clean and then type convert MBR. Now this part successfully converted the selected disk to MBR format. Now exit. Close it and then close this part. Try again. It's still showing the same message. Even if you create a new partition, let's say it's showing the same message again. Now another way you can try and solve it is going on to BIOS. So I'm going to clear this and then continue to BIOS. Press F2. It's a old Dell laptop. This is an old laptop, so most of the old laptops supports legacy boot option. Now if you select UEFI, legacy is selected, and then go to system configuration, and then make sure SATA operation is actually selected. Click apply and then exit. Now boot from F12, boot from the USB. I'm waiting for it to load. There you go. Windows is installing on this hard drive. The problem has been solved. It's starting to install the operating system on the hard drive. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.